I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now hear me? I am currently in Portmore at Buzzer Arcade. It's my first time here. I hope it is fun. What's that? Babe, you're getting fourth place now. Fifth place. Alright, so I lost. But I guess I won the one time and we got the unlimited card. So yeah. Let me try one in French. Let's try that one here.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Alright guys, so we are at this bar and grill. You guys can't hear me and I don't want to get copyright. So I'm gonna start keeping up to date, alright? Alright guys, so our location is a Buzzer. I don't know if I showed you guys early on. They have about 3 different places you can eat over here too. There's a bar and a grill right here. There's an arcade inside. There's a bar downstairs, and there's like we can get hot dog and stuff upstairs. So so far the arcade is okay. We never spent much time. We did like 3. We did like 3, only 3 rides along we do? Yeah. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I'll go back and swipe the card I see.
Yeah, cause
see if you wear it. I know I'll go back there.
Which one?
I'll play gun one.
Which gun one?
The one with man, so we only can swipe the one.
Oh.
You ask security, you can swipe the one card.
We did 3 rides already. We bought the unlimited card. We're not sure why we buy that. Because we're not good at everything.
So we have to go back and swipe it.
We do. So yeah, we'll go back inside and see what is up.
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is
Guys, I am home. I'm all clean up my face already. I'm glad that's done. I drink like a soup. I show you soon. And after I'm done drinking the soup, I'm gonna nicely brush my teeth and go on my bed. I feel so tired. I just want to go lie down on my bed and sleep. Right, I'm wish me them. So I will look at AC. Yeah, but we decided not to do that. Yeah, we decided to stay home. So we enjoy home. Tomorrow I'm going to do Christmas morning special and gift unboxing. Where mosquito you go? And here. Sorry. Move, and here time now. Sure. Alright guys, so just mosquito. Sure. Alright, so I'm showing you the soup. Yep, I'm almost finished, people. I'm almost finished. So, and it's a medium cup. Messy, not true. I did a turnover. So, yeah, guys, that's what's up. That's what's up. So, I have a few little more gifts to wrap. Make I wrap them and go right on my bed because I'm tired of body. I was considering if I should give you guys like Christmas tree gift under the tree tour with my little area because I decorate that area like a Christmassy. Not all that much. I'll probably see how that goes. Alright, I'm a living room tour. I'll come because I'm finished with it. I think I'm finished with it. So that's not going to be in a Vlogmas episode, but cause you know Vlogmas I done the 25 day them. The internet a give me a fight. So me I cut off of the commitment now. Tomorrow is the last day. And watching this vlog, this might be Vlogmas day 25. So if it is, if it's not, if it is, Merry Christmas. If it's not, I'll catch you in the Christmas vlog. Okay? So yeah. I'm gonna mash my soup one mouth. And then if anything is there to fill in with, then I will. If not, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright. So guys, this is under our Christmas tree. Yeah, just a little preview of under it, and then over here now we have other gifts that are in bags. So in here would have been my little Christmas area. Nothing too much. 3 lock off because it's about 4 o'clock now, and I feel that the Christmas decor around here. So yep. Alright guys, so hey, what's up? I'm actually coming in to tell you guys, wish you guys a happy holidays, because by the time you'll be seeing this vlog, Christmas Day would have been far gone. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas series. I hope I did a great job for you guys. I wish I could have done probably more Christmas stuff, but turn on that little bit negative, please. But I did what I could with what I had. So I hope you guys really did, enjoy it. So I want to big up each and every one of you guys out there, and I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and you are looking forward to a great New Year. You see me extra talk, and I want to now look forward to a great New Year. Alright people, so I am going to do a Christmas gift sharing video, like share what I got for Christmas. I'm going to do that. Because we did not do any Christmas morning special. I was sick, so that was not in the picture any at all. So yeah, so this is where I'm going to end of this video. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to tell everybody about this channel, and I'll catch you guys in my Christmas gift sharing video. I'll see you then whenever that is, because internet fighting me bad. So bye guys, take care.